Let's continue our investigation by looking at the B quark and the emitted W plus boson. Now, if we look at the electric charge, we'll see that for the B quark, the D quark provides a minus 1/3 charge in association with the boson 0, which provides no electric charge. So for the B quark, the electric charge is minus 1/3. And if we look at the W boson plus, then we'll see that the electric charge will be plus 1, giving us the total electric charge of plus 2/3 that we started with. Let's look at the spin. And so the spin of the D quark continues to be plus 1/2, but with the boson 0 that makes no contribution to spin, this gives the B quark a total spin of plus 1/2. But if we look at the W boson plus, we'll see that it contributes a spin of minus 1, with the Z boson 0 now having a spin of 0. Let's now look at the weak force. We can see, just as before, the D quark part of the B quark provides, since it's right-handed, 0 weak force. Now the boson 0, though, is providing a weak force of 0 also. So for the B quark, we have a total weak force of 0. And the standard model will predict this, since the total spin of the B quark is plus 1/2. But if we look at the emitted boson plus, we will see that it's carrying a spin of plus 1, not a spin, but a weak charge of plus 1/2. Let's look at the isotopic spin. The isotopic spin of the D quark, of course, is minus 1/2. And the isotopic spin on the boson 0 is plus 1/2. So minus 1/2 and plus 1/2 gives the total isotopic spin for the B quark of 0, which is predicted by the standard model. And then if we look at the W boson plus, we will see that it has an isotopic spin of plus 1/2. Let's look at flavor. And so before we had the boson plus, each of the component particles had opposite signed flavor until there was a total of 0. But now one of the components has been emitted, and we only have the T dual relating Rishon providing a minus 1 spin for the B quark. And so that is the flavor that's indicated by the standard model. And we have the boson plus carrying away a spin of 1. And last but not least, quick look at the color charge, and we'll see that the color charge is given as before by the TQuark, and the purple Rishan negating the yellow Rishan leaves a color charge of red for the TQuark, and therefore for the B quark.